Good morning to all. Today our chapter is chapter number 11, that is fundamental algebraic concept and operation. So before going to this chapter, let us discuss what is constant and what is variable. What do you mean by constant term or what do you mean by variable terms? A quantity which has a fixed numerical value is called a constant, and a symbol which can be given various numerical value according to requirements is called variable or literal. Variable means literal. For example, in 2xy, 2 is a constant and x and y are variables. Next is algebraic expression. What do you mean by algebraic expression? A combination of literal, that is variables, of constant and connected by one or more symbols of the operation like plus, minus, or multiplication sign or divide sign is called an algebraic expression. For example, 2x minus 3y, it is an algebraic expression. X plus 3y plus 4xy, this is also algebraic expression. Third one, 3a plus 5b plus minus 6c is an algebraic expression. Okay, different parts of an algebraic expression is connected by the sign, maybe plus, maybe minus, maybe multiplication or division sign, are called the terms. Here plus minus, how many terms are there? Two terms, 2x and 3y. There are two terms. Then it is called binomial. Here how many terms are there? X is a term, 3y is another term, 4x is another. Then how many terms are there? Three terms. This is called trinomial. Here also see, this is the algebraic expression having three terms. 3a first term, 5b second term, and 6 is the third term. That means this is also algebraic expression containing three terms, which is called trinomial. Monomial means having single term. Binomial means having two terms separated by plus minus, and trinomial having three terms, and so on. Okay. Different parts of an algebraic expression connected by the sign of plus and minus are called terms. The number of terms is always one more than the number of plus. If there is only one plus, suppose here minus, that means two terms. Here 2 plus, that means three terms. Here 2 sign plus minus, that means there are three terms are there. It's trinomial. Therefore, they are telling the number of terms is always one more than the number of plus or minus sign in the expression. For example, in the algebraic expression, 2ax plus 5ax square minus 7bx cube. Here plus or minus given, two sign given, that means there are three terms are there. The parts 2ax, 5ax square and 7bx cube are each term. There are total two sign plus and another minus, and hence the number of terms is 2 plus 1. There are two sign plus and minus, therefore 2 plus and three terms. An algebraic expression is called monomial if it has only one term, and if it contains two terms, that is called binomial, and if it has three terms, that is called trinomial. In this way, the algebraic expression depends as monomial, binomial, trinomial, and polynomial also, if it is more than three. Next come to what is like terms and what do you mean by unlike terms. Like terms means, suppose 3xy minus 5xy, these two are called like terms. Unlike terms means this variable part should be different. Okay, suppose x cube y4 minus 3x cube y, this also two are like terms. Unlike terms means like x square y, another is 3xy, so these are unlike terms, and so on. Okay. Like terms means the terms which have the same variable coefficient but can differ in the numerical coefficient. Numerical are like 3xy, here minus 5. But variable xy, here also xy, same. Therefore, they are telling the terms which have the same variable coefficient but can differ in the numerical coefficient, means 3, here minus 5. Numerical coefficient, the constant, are called like terms. For example, this. Let us go. Unlike terms also clear. Next I am going to explain about the product, how to find out product of two algebraic expression. And constant already I have discussed. Suppose it is a polynomial. How many terms are there? X square, x and minus, there are three terms are there. It is trinomial. Here minus 3 is called constant term. Here minus 3 is called constant term. Minus 3 is called constant term. Next come to coefficient. Suppose take one question like minus 8x y square z. Here minus 8 is called the coefficient of x y square z. The coefficient of x y square z is minus 8. And the coefficient of y square z, that means replacing y square z, what is left? Minus 8x. Minus 8x is called the coefficient of y square z. Same process. What is the coefficient of z? Remove z and what is left? That is minus 8xy square. Minus 8xy square is called the coefficient of z. Next, z is called the coefficient of minus 8xy square. Minus 8x square coefficient will be only z. This is the basic concept about the coefficient. In a product of numbers and literals, literal means variables, any of the factors is called the coefficient of the product of the other factor. The constant part is called the numerical coefficient and the remaining part is called the literal coefficient. Okay, numerical coefficient and the literal coefficient. Let us go polynomial. Already I have discussed monomial, dinomial, trinomial. Polynomial means more than 3 terms. An algebraic expression having the power of variable of each term is as a non-negative positive integers is called a polynomial. Non-negative, that should be any negative power. It's called a polynomial. An algebraic expression containing only one variable is called a polynomial. In that variable, the greater power of the variable used in the polynomial is called the degree of that polynomial. Next to see, let's take one question here. 2 plus 3x minus 5x square plus 2 by 3 x to the power 3. So what is it? It is a polynomial containing how many terms? 1, 2, 3, 4 terms. And degree is how much? Highest power of x is variable is 3. Therefore degree 3. It is a polynomial in x of degree 3. Next one is see 3a minus 5 plus 7a square is a polynomial in a of degree 2. Next one 5y to the 4 plus 3y square minus 4 by 9y. It is a polynomial in y. It contains 3 terms. Trinomial or polynomial. Degree is how much? Highest power of y is how much? 4. That is called degree is 4. In this way you can find out what is the degree of the polynomial, how many terms contains. If it contains only one term, that is called monomial. If it contains 2 terms, binomial. If it contains trinomial, 3 terms, and more than 3, polynomial. Overall, after 2 or 3, you can tell polynomial. Let us go next. Next, I am going to find out what is linear polynomial. If the degree of polynomial is 1, then it is called linear polynomial. Like 7x plus 3, 8 minus 9y are linear polynomial in one variable. So 3x minus 5y plus 4z, 5a plus 6b minus 7c are linear polynomial, no doubt, in 3 variables, because x, y, z, here a, b, c, 3 variables. Linear polynomial means the degree of the polynomial will be 1. If the degree of a polynomial is 1, then it is called linear polynomial. Next is quadratic polynomial means degree will be, the degree of the polynomial is 2, then it is called quadratic polynomial. Same process, cubic polynomial means if the degree of the polynomial is 3, it is called a cubic polynomial. For example, 9x cube plus 4x square plus the highest power of x is 3. Here you see 7 plus 3y minus 8y square plus 4 by 7y cube are the cubic polynomial in one variable. Here you see 6xy square plus 3y cube plus 4x square minus 9xy plus 3 by 7y is a cubic polynomial in two variables, because highest power of the variable is 3. Here also 1 plus 2, 3. That means it is a two variable x and y, and it is a cubic polynomial. In this today I have discussed basic concept about the algebraic expression, and next I will do the exercise 11.1. Okay, thank you for today's class.